Ballard style. Tech tip of the day. Got a lawnmower that looks like this. Sets more than it gets used. If it's like mine, every time I come to use it, tires are flat. My solution. Screwed the tire to the wheel. And as you can see, that was an older one. Did it a while back and just did that one. Filled the tire full of great stuff foam from Home Depot. Good to go.